Here's a few bigger pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. They're not spectacular pieces, but they're a bit of fun. You might find it changes to colour more on the inside, but things like this is more of a gamble. Anyway, I'll zoom in for you to give you a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted as usual. Start off with the top left hand corner, like normal. I'm holding it off the screen, sorry. There is some colour in it there. How far it goes under or not, can't guarantee. But they look big pieces, but the price isn't high. How far that goes in, might go back in under here. Don't know. There's no sign of it on that side from what I can see. When I comment on these parcels, I'm viewing it on the screen rather than looking down onto the stone. So quite often the camera sometimes picks up more than what you can see with your eye, and quite often the opposite happens. Purple bar, crystal type material. Here's another big piece of purple crystal. Bit of red showing in there. Little bar, extra bright green there. Who knows what's going to happen with that. That sparkle is a little chip off something. Another piece. Lucky last. There's not much in that at all. A little bit of weak colour there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Like I said, it's not very expensive. Cheers.